Aesop fables, The Birds and the Rhinoceros. Once upon a time, there was a forest where plenty of birds live and build their nests on the trees. There live many kinds of birds who always quarrel with one another. One day, there was a rhinoceros walking into this forest and saw that there were a lot of birds on the trees. The rhinoceros that was hungry banged a tree with his horn until a nest of the green birds fell down.
Then the rhinoceros ate the nestlings in the nest. The mother bird was very angry, but she could do nothing. After the rhinoceros had eaten all the nestlings, he walked away.
All the birds gathered and discussed their opinion. The rhinoceros will surely come back again, said the bird. We must get together to drive him away. No, that rhinoceros is very big and strong, said the bird. I agree with you. We cannot drive him away, said a bird.
Because these birds were used to quarreling among themselves, they did not agree to the red bird's idea. So, no one prepared to fight against the rhinoceros.
With nobody agreed to the plan, the red bird and his mate discussed between them. There is no other way but to help ourselves. So they moved their nest to a tree which was on a cliff where the rhinoceros would never live.
The next day, the rhinoceros came to the forest and again used its horn to bang a tree when the yellow birds arrived. As a result, the yellow bird's nest fell down. After that, the rhinoceros banged many other trees. Thus, a lot of nestlings and eggs became his food. All the birds realized that they did not prepare to cope with the rhinoceros. On the other hand, the late bird's family remained safe as they were prepared for the expected danger. Vocabulary:
Built, horn, rhinoceros, fell down.
After, come back, away, together.
Prepare, reach, plenty of nestling.
Needs, quarrel, hungry, disgust, walk away, mate.
Fight, danger, not ski, expect.